These collars need to be maintained and sealed right here. I'm Jim with Ideal Roofing. Let's talk about roof maintenance. Not every homeowner knows that you have to maintain your roof. You can't just install a new roof and just let it perform, which is like, never painting your house. So let's take a look at what roof maintenance entails. We look at the roof and we look for exposed nail heads or nails that have come loose that are nailing down flashing or different pieces of shingles. We also look at your HVAC and hot water heater. These collars need to be maintained and sealed right here. This one's doing pretty good, but it's on the verge. The other thing we do is we're going to paint this whole stack again and all the other pipes just to make it look pretty and match. It's not necessary, but it looks good and it's a bang for your buck on the maintenance program. The only thing we have to look for as well is also exposed nail heads on the ridges and shingles, and we seal those as well.